Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because Ferrari just dropped an atomic bomb on the Grand Touring world. This is the 2026 Ferrari Amalfi, and yes, it's everything you never knew you needed, and then some. Forget subtlety, forget restraint. This machine is all about making a statement, with your ears, your eyes, and your heart rate. Taking over where the Ferrari Roma left off, the Amalfi storms in with a facelift so sharp it could slice air like a scalpel. Inspired by the SF90 and the 12 cylindry, that aggressive sharknose and full-width blacked-out bar connecting the headlights screams pure Italian vengeance. It's long, it's low, it's wide, and it's angry. But wait, the real revolution happens inside. Ferrari actually did it. They ditched those cursed touch-sensitive controls and brought back real buttons. That's right, actual tactile feedback. And just to flex, the start button is now made of titanium. Titanium! They didn't have to go that hard, but they did it anyway. Under the hood? Oh baby. It's the same 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 we love, now with 631 horsepower of Maranello muscle, 19 more horses than before. And it's not just more power, it's smarter power. We're talking lightweight camshafts, a newly machined block, low-viscosity oil, and turbochargers spinning at a mind-melting 171,000 RPM. Ferrari's new ECU is so advanced, it might as well have a PhD in physics. 0 to 62? Just 3.3 seconds. Top speed? Just shy of 200 miles per hour. And if that's not enough, the Amalfi has active aero that deploys like a fighter jet wing, delivering 242 pounds of downforce at speed. That's enough to glue you to the pavement when the road tries to throw you off. And yes, it's got all the tech wizardry. Side slip control 6.1, adaptive cruise, emergency braking, lane assist, brake-by-wire. Basically, it's smarter than you, and probably more graceful too. We don't know exactly when it's coming, but we do know this. When the Amalfi hits the streets, the world won't just watch, it'll stop. Starting price? Expect close to $300,000. Worth it? Absolutely. This isn't just a car, it's Ferrari writing a love letter to speed, style, and sanity-defying performance.